What digital marketing is an online activity or strategy that you do for a business to promote a website, landing page, social media page, or even a video. Digital marketing is any marketing strategy that uses an electronic device that may or may not be connected to the internet. Even radio ads and television commercials are digital marketing strategies, and a lot of people don't even realize that. But we all know digital marketing has evolved, from a long time ago, and there's a lot more new strategies that's coming up that is a lot more effective when it comes to building a business or building leads in your business. So I have 6 specific categories that digital marketing falls under. A lot of people don't realize there's more than 6 categories, but I'm going to be explaining 6 categories today in this video. So make sure you stick all the way to the end, because I will be giving you a bonus category that you will absolutely love for your business when it comes to digital marketing. But while we're getting to the video, please don't forget to subscribe below if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to use digital marketing within your business, right? And all other types of related stuff. And comment down below, where you're currently living or where you're coming from, right? I love to, find out. We are on our way to 100 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers as soon as possible. So please help me out. I'm completely blessed to everybody that's watching this. So thank you. And just remember, digital marketing revolves around these 5 Ds. There's 5 Ds that digital marketing revolves around, right? Digital devices, digital platforms, digital media, digital data, and digital technology. So number 1 for me, which is, most important for me, you can argue that it's the most valuable for everyone else, is content marketing, right? And what I specifically think content marketing is usually informational content or valuable content, like blog posts and how-to videos, YouTube videos even, and other videos that give instructions, right? So if you publish quality, valuable content regularly with your target audience in mind, this will make your brand or business a trusted voice within your industry. Promise you. Number 2 is SEO ranking, which is search engine optimization rank. And basically what that is, in my opinion, is an online activity or strategy of creating online content in a way that search engines like Google or Yahoo or Yelp will rank your page or business profile high on the search engine results page, so more customers can find your content or business. Some good examples of search engine optimization businesses are like pizza places or barbers, that want to get ranked high on, Google, to the point where they can find, customers very easily, and customers will be easily able to find them, because they'll be ranking higher on the Google page as they get reviews. So that's basically what SEO will do for a lot of businesses. And Google likes to use algorithms to decide how relevant your page is to the keywords that the customer is searching for. And if done right, the right way, you optimizing the SEO will put your page on the top of the page and bring you more organic traffic for your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you're getting, any value whatsoever. Also, comment down below, give me an example how digital marketing will help you in your business in the future. Number 3, the next one is PPC, pay per click, right? And pay per click is basically paid advertisement that appears at the top of the search engine page when searching for a specific keyword. Also, these ads typically depend on the number of clicks the link receives, hence the phrase pay per click, because you pay for every click. The next one is social media marketing. And basically, social media marketing is when social media platforms are used as a digital marketing channel where you can create a profile for your business on any social media platform and create posts to advertise new products that you may be selling or new content. Which social media platform you will use will depend on the type of audience you want to reach. For example, according to an article by Paul Research, Instagram is best for reaching audiences between the ages of 25 and not 29, while people that are 65 or older can be best reached through Facebook. The fifth one is affiliate marketing or influencer marketing. When an affiliate or influencer collaborates with your brand to build increase in your audience reach by engaging with your existing audience. That's what affiliate marketing or influencer marketing is. It's when an affiliate or influencer collaborates with your brand. For an effective affiliate or influencer relationship, try to work with an individual who is well known and respected within your industry. They can create content promoting your business or product and share a link to your website. Every time a sale is completed or a link is clicked, the influencer or affiliate will receive a percentage of the sale. And our sixth one is email marketing. And email marketing is when someone visits your website or business and you invite them to join an email subscriber list. With their permission, you can send emails about sales, special events, or even product releases. So some good examples of companies that do a lot of email marketing are like Nike or McDonald's, right? Because when you subscribe to their email list, they give you all types of deals, sales that's you're not able to receive those anywhere else. So most importantly, you want to give value to your customers through email in order to maintain a long-term customer base, right? You could offer them exclusives that they would not receive anywhere else. And it's all about building a relationship with your target customer so they can turn into a repeat customer. Now here's the time for the bonus category. Marketing funnels. A marketing funnel is a way of breaking down the customer's journey all the way from the awareness stage, from when they first learn about your business, all the way to the purchase stage when they're ready to buy your product or services. And using this marketing strategy is a very key way to get more qualified customers wanting to buy from you, and gives you more leverage to build relationships with your clients, which gives the clients wanting to know more that you have to offer. So if you were to use any of these marketing strategies, I would definitely use marketing funnels, because marketing funnels has helped me in my businesses. Marketing funnels has helped my team and our businesses, and it's just made us so much money. Now I actually have some amazing marketing tools that you can use for completely free for your business for 14 days. And I love them. My team loves them. We use them all the time for our businesses, and you can too, right? It gives you unlimited sales funnels, unlimited capture pages, unlimited autoresponders. You can't find a deal like this anywhere. So if you want to try these tools for completely free, the link is in the description, and I'll be glad to post the link at the top right corner right here. So make sure you go ahead and sign up. It's completely free, no credit card required. We can get right to it. Also, if you want to check out my free YouTube ads course, the link is in the description. Also, the top of my banner, if you want to go ahead and check it out, it's completely free. It'll tell you all about how to, grow your business with YouTube ads. And it's all about ad marketing. So make sure you check that out. It's completely free. Everyone loves it. I know you'll love it. And you'll also get weekly tips on growing your business in your email inbox. So make sure you subscribe to my email. Question of the day. What is your favorite digital marketing category? Is it social media marketing? Is it email marketing? Comment down below and let me know what your favorite marketing strategy is. I love to find out, so we can talk in the comment section. Now, if you're looking to build a business through digital marketing and other types of related stuff, make sure you watch this video right now, popping up on the screen. I guarantee you will love this video and you will get so much value out of this. So make sure you tune in and click on that video right now. Like and subscribe below if you enjoyed this video. Stay blessed and prayed up. I'll see you in the next video.